For decades, the global narrative of urban Africa was written in the ink of dead ends. It was a story told through the lens of stagnation and the heavy lethargy of the past. But today, the Horn of Africa is rewriting the script. Ethiopia is no longer a bystander to its own development. By aggressively transforming its capital through road widening, bicycle lanes, and ambitious river rehabilitation, the city is shedding its old skin. Traditionally, many Africans felt the need to travel abroad simply to find recreation and beauty. Ethiopia is changing that paradigm, creating a world-class tourist destination right here at home. This is more than a facelift. It is an urban renaissance etched into the very asphalt of the new Addis. At the epicenter of this shift is the new Addis Sports Park. To understand the magnitude of this project, one must look at the ground it reclaimed. This site is a triumph of inclusive urbanism, where land once lost to the shadows is returned to the light of the public good. The past, a site notorious for generation-killing habits. It was a stagnant hub for cot and shisha dens that sapped the potential of the neighborhood's youth. The present, a 5.7-hectare masterclass in reclamation. The Vice has been replaced by a world-class facility featuring professional running tracks, swimming pools, and football fields. This is not just a park, it is a strategic investment in the children of Ethiopia, ensuring they grow up with the capacity to lift their nation to new heights. Behind the concrete and steel lies a deeper blueprint. As urban development specialists, we often prioritize hard infrastructure, the physical bones of a city. But this park focuses on the soft infrastructure of social cohesion. It is built on a radical premise. A classroom alone is an incomplete laboratory for building a human being. This is the essence of human engineering. In the classroom, students earn color, the grades and academic knowledge that provide a foundation. But knowledge alone is insufficient if a generation cannot navigate the complexities of human interaction. This park is the factory where the glue of a stable society is manufactured. Through the friction of play and the discipline of competition, the social bonds of a nation are forged. This landscape is also a site of deliberate psychological intervention. Within the facility stand 15 statues of legendary Ethiopian athletes. These are not mere decorations, they are living mirrors of possibility. Icons like Abebe Bikila, Mirutz Yifter, Haile Gebrselassie, and Kenisa Bekele stand as sentinels of excellence. For a young girl training here, the statue of Derartu Tulu is a beacon of what she can become. To train in the shadow of Tirunesh Dibaba or Mesedet Defar is to internalize greatness as a daily habit. We are no longer just remembering champions, we are harvesting them. The park's success is anchored by its world-class hard assets. This 5.7-hectare facility provides the physical foundation necessary to support its lofty social goals. Running tracks, engineered for the next generation of distance legends. Swimming pools, expanding the athletic repertoire of the city's youth. Football fields, high-quality pitches for community competition and team building. Public plazas and walkways. The Addis Sports Park is more than a local victory. It is a masterclass for the African continent. It proves that by reclaiming dead-end spaces and repurposing them into social laboratories, we can engineer a stronger, more cohesive human future. This is where the social glue of a stable Ethiopia is manufactured. This is where we invest in our children today so they may lead us tomorrow. Let this be the blueprint for a new African renaissance, where we build the people who will build the future.